And we take a 1/2 inch here so that it keeps it an inch. We stand behind our section, we see our guide, and we cut. Watch your elbow does not go in. If your elbow goes in, it's going to make the haircut cut in. You're going to put your fingers on a diagonal. So your elbows have to be out and straight on this side of the head. Okay. Once that section is cut, you go in and you take another 1/4 inch and another 1/4 inch from your last one. Get rid of the original guide and stand behind and pull up. And you will see your guide. Okay. Continuing forward, because this is a movable guide or a traveling guide, either or, taking sections, we're moving with them. So in the whole time I should not have any more than 1 inch. So that would be part of the old guide and then your new section that you're cutting, okay? You shouldn't have any bigger than that when you're cutting. And you will be able to see what you need to see. But again, measure if you don't know. Okay, measure if you're unsure. Okay, part of my guide, and then part of my guide. Pushing this away. So everything is away from what I'm dealing with, so that I know, because you need to have, your guide has to be standing up at 90 degrees from this section, not from here. I can't pull it back. If I pull it back, I increase the length of my haircut. So I don't want to be increasing length. I want to keep it uniform. So what you started with here should be all the way around. Okay. So I'm coming here, taking my last guide. So it's right on the hairline, my last guide that I take, getting rid of this one. So remember, this is not a fluffy haircut. We're taking, when we hold something at 90 degrees, we are removing the bulk from it. So we're removing the volume. Now, here's my guide. This is my last section. This is where I should be holding this back. So there shouldn't be much hair. Some of you are holding it back too far. So remember, you have to go up to the hairline. It's just this section where it hangs over, more on the face. That if I were to pull this straight out, there's no hair here, so that's where you would get a hole. Okay? All right, so go on break.